Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a super easy way to add a search bar to your WordPress website. This is perfect if you want your visitors to quickly find content without scrolling endlessly. Let's dive in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page, post, or template part where you want the search bar to appear. If you're working with a block-enabled theme, this process is really straightforward. Click the edit option for your chosen page, post, or template part, like the header, and look for the small plus icon. This is how you add a new block to your content. Once the block menu pops up, type search in the search bar and select the search block. Instantly, you'll see a search bar appear in your editor. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can adjust the alignment, move the search button around, and even change colors and styles to match your site's look and feel. This helps the search bar blend seamlessly with your design while remaining user-friendly. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply hit save or update, and your search bar is live and ready for visitors to use. Adding a search bar not only improves navigation, but also enhances your user experience, making it easier for people to find exactly what they're looking for. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your WordPress site now has a functional, stylish search bar. Give it a try and watch how it makes your website more interactive and user-friendly.